Hello. Good morning. Testing audio. Yeah, audio on Discord on. Welcome. Good morning. We are trading now, streaming live on Discord. And good morning. Hope to find you all well. So getting ready for our live trading session, April 12, 2022. 9:24, less than 6 minutes for the market to open, and we are watching right now Nasdaq. We already have the 9 a.m. briefing, so I hope that you see the 9 a.m. briefing that's available on the channel from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. sharp, trying to help the traders community with the levels. 20 minutes, around 20 minutes video to try to help everyone early in the morning. So I hope that you watch it. And one of the things that I've been saying, looking for the charts, is that we don't chase the moves either up or down, okay? For example, when Apple was going more than 10 days on a row, consecutive days going up, you do not chase longs. You look for some fading, you look for a pullback, and that worked well, looking for Apple after a big pullback, after making lower lows last week, all the way from 179 all the way into 165 yesterday, so more than $14 pullback. So that worked well. Same thing as you don't chase on the move up, you don't chase on the move down. For example, AMD, yesterday I tried some calls, it was a bit too soon. Then I gave you some on Discord, I gave you some longs on the stock. Why the stock? Because it's just giving a better risk reward on the avoiding the time decay, okay, on those options. So, and the expected move was to go back above $100. We saw that a move above $100 early in the morning. So $3 bounce from 97 when I said to try to go long as a gap to fill at $100. So the time, if you remember, we short AMD when it was above 122, okay, 2 weeks ago. It gone all the way from above 122 all the way into 94. So you don't chase after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days with the stock going down. You do not chase that, okay? You trim profits on that and look for the other way around. And that's exactly what we did. So now what? We are seeing a dead cat bounce, an oversold bounce. And I'll be looking to see if bulls are able to hold this bounce up, this gap up that we are watching right now. If yes, okay, we can have follow through continuation. Otherwise, should fade. 3 minutes for the market to open, guys. So that's exactly what I'll be looking. I'll be looking to see if we are able to hold this morning gap, or if we are going to fade, fill this morning gap, and retest yesterday lows. Okay, that will be extremely bearish if we go below yesterday lows. But if we go and hold this morning gap, we can go higher to fill yesterday gap. So we are from one gap to the other. Trading is not easy. We close some of the names, looking for most of the names: SPY, IWM, Cubes, Apple, Tesla, Microsoft. They basically closed at the lows of the day, and now they are way above yesterday close. So not easy, okay? But trading is not easy. So you adapt, you manage your risk, and that's exactly what we have been doing, and I'm very proud of that. 2 minutes for the market to open, guys. So I'll be looking, for example, if IWM can hold above 198. IWM, I was looking for the gap to fill at 195.7, did not fill the gap. So yeah, tricky. So it's tricky right now to buy this open, okay? But it's also tricky to fade it. Why? Because we have yesterday gap, and we can extend some more, squeeze some more those shorts to fill yesterday gap. Okay, so yeah, I'll be waiting to see the first couple of minutes to see if they hold this move up or not. Okay, I'll be looking, for example, AMD ET$200 and it's already fading. Okay, 98.6, so it's fading. So we wait to see. 1 minute for the market to open, guys, and entering trading mode. "45 seconds for market to open. "30 seconds for market to open. Facebook 220. I want to see if it holds 220. If not, looking for a fade below 220. Tesla already back below 1K. 1K is the level. Needs above 1K to fill the gap at 10.22. 10 seconds. 5. Good luck, guys. So the market opened above yesterday close, okay? Big squeeze on some of the names. I'll be watching closely to see if they are going to hold this gap up or not. Facebook some fading. Baba trying to bounce. Tesla fading. Microsoft fading. AMD fading. AMD filled today gap and fading. IWM pushing higher. IWM pushing higher. IWM higher. Some bull flow on IWM. I got some puts on Twitter. Tricky, but let's see. Apple pushing up. Twitter new lows on the day. Twitter coming, guys. Here we go. Trimming Sam on Twitter. Facebook fading. AMD big fade. Cubes fading, Facebook fading, Baba fading. Ugly move on Baba, guys. Ugly move on Baba. JP Morgan fading. JP Morgan fading. Nvidia big fade. The semis had a big fade. Filled this morning gap. So many names fill this morning gap. IWM very, very strong today. IWM big bounce. Cubes are heavy for now. Apple fading. New lows on the day on Apple. I trimmed some more on Twitter. I got some puts on IWM. Twitter coming. Twitter coming. Twitter coming. Here we go. I had on IWM. Nice move on Twitter, guys. Trimming some more on Twitter. Some bull flow on McDonald's. Adding McDonald's to the watch. I had some more on IWM. Twitter coming nicely. Twitter coming nicely. I trim some more on Twitter. SPY pushing higher. SPY wants to fill the gap. Stop on IWM. I got stopped on IWM. Too strong here. Too strong on IWM. Giving a little bit more room. Twitter coming. Twitter coming. Nice move on Twitter, guys. Well done. Twitter coming. Big squeeze on IWM. Once again, not chasing the move. Big reversal on JP Morgan. Big reversal on JP Morgan, guys. Big bounce on JP Morgan. I trimmed some on Twitter. I had some calls on McDonald's. I got some calls on McDonald's. Twitter coming. We have yesterday lows on Twitter, guys. And going. Twitter coming. I had some more on McDonald's. Twitter coming. Here we go. Nice move on Twitter. Trimming some on Twitter. Nice short on Twitter, guys. McDonald's bouncing. McDonald's bouncing. McDonald's bouncing. I trim some on McDonald's. Market ready is holding. Market ready is holding on the green for now. So we are short Twitter with some puts, and we are long McDonald's with some calls. Apple trying to push higher. Apple, the gap fills at 169. 169.2. The up on gap on Apple. Apple going to fill the gap, guys. Seems that Apple is going to fill the gap at 169.2. Microsoft also trying to hold. They may try to fill the gap. Microsoft also pushing. Microsoft also pushing. I got back into IWM short. I got some puts on IWM. Twitter coming. Here we go on Twitter. Here we go, guys. Bring it down. Bring it down. Here we go. Twitter coming nicely. Twitter coming nicely. Here we go. Come on. Bring it down. Twitter coming. Twitter coming. Trimming some more on Twitter. Nice move. 60% gains on Twitter. Nice move on Twitter, guys. Nice short on Twitter. Here we go on McDonald's. McDonald's going. McDonald's goes red to green. Here we go, McDonald's. Here we go. Here we go. Nice move on McDonald's, guys. Nice move. Nice move, McDonald's. I sold Twitter. Sold IWM. McDonald's going. McDonald's going, guys. Here we go on McDonald's. Come on. Let's get some burgers, guys. Here we go, McDonald's. McDonald's higher on bull flow, guys. Come on. Here we go on McDonald's. Twitter can try to bounce. Let's see if it's able to bounce. I got some calls on Twitter playing for the bounce. McDonald's going, guys. McDonald's going. Here we go. Here we go, McDonald's. Nice move. Burgers for everyone. Come on. Push. Here we go. Here we go, McDonald's. Bring on. Come on, guys. Trimming some more on McDonald's. Nice move on McDonald's. McDonald's above 255, watch out. Big short squeeze above 255. 60% gains on McDonald's, guys. Well done. Here we go, come on. Push. I had on Twitter. Trying the bounce on Twitter. McDonald's very strong. Come on, push. Needs above 253 to try to go into 255 and break out. Apple pushing. Apple gap fills at 169 too. AMD bouncing, guys. AMD bouncing. So we have some short covering rally here. Bull flow on AMD. Twitter bouncing. Twitter bouncing from the 8-day moving average. Twitter bouncing. Here we go on Twitter. Here we go. So we played short on Twitter. Right now we are playing the bounce. We are playing calls here. Tesla new highs on the day following yesterday calls. Filling the gap. AMD pushing higher. The gap on AMD fills at $200. IWM very strong. I got caught here on those calls. Those calls got stopped on IWM. Very strong IWM. Congratulations to the longs. I trimmed some on Twitter. Apple filled the gap. Apple filled the gap. So the gap is filled on Apple. AMD bouncing, AMD going to fill the gap. Boeing inside action for now. BAB inside day also for now. Facebook higher. Facebook going to fill the gap. Facebook going to fill the gap. The gap on Facebook fills at 220.6. Sava bouncing. Sava bouncing, guys. Bull flow on Sava. Sava bouncing. Sava bouncing, guys. Baba bouncing. Baba bouncing. Baba bouncing. Twitter going. Twitter bouncing, guys. Here we go. So we played short, we played long. Very nice on Twitter. Here we go. Trimming some more on Twitter. 20% gains on Twitter. So basically we played short on Twitter. Same thing as yesterday. We played short early in the morning. Then we flip into the calls and working well. So yeah, let's see if Twitter is able to push above 48. 48 is the level on Twitter that needs to break. Here we go on Twitter. Come on. Push. Here we go. Come on. Some more. Nice. Come on. Bring it on, guys. Bring it on. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. That's it. That's it. Come on. Push. Coming. Twitter coming. Twitter coming. Here we go. Come on. 35%. I trim some. Nicely done, guys. So we played longs on short on Twitter. Then we flip into calls on Twitter. And yeah, we played downside, we played upside, working well. Needs above 48 on Twitter. Above 48 can try 50, but we need to see it. Come on. Push. Here we go. Here we go, Twitter. Come on. That's it. Some calls on snow. Snow with some big calls. Snow pushing higher. Some calls on snow. The gap on snow fills at 224. Gap on snow fills at 224. Twitter 40%. I trimmed some on Twitter 40%. Well done, guys. Baba bouncing. Baba bouncing. Baba goes back into the green. Can squeeze Baba. Nice bounce on Twitter, guys. Nice bounce on Twitter. Facebook filled the gap. Facebook filled the gap. Big short squeeze, guys. Big short squeeze. Baba going. Baba higher on bull flow. I'm not chasing, but Baba higher on bull flow. Squeezy, guys. They are squeezing the shorts. Baba needs above 104. Above 104, it can explode. Tesla going. Tesla filling the gap at 10.22. Tesla filling the gap at 10.22. That's it. Remember yesterday calls, guys. It was this. It was the move that I was expecting. Well done. Congratulations, everyone. Okay, IWM trying to fade some here. Nvidia going. Nvidia, the gap fills at 230. Nvidia gap fills at $230. Waiting a little bit on Twitter. Holding Twitter for now. AMD still needs to fill the gap. Tesla almost filling the gap on Tesla. Just a little bit more. Come on. Fill the gap. Boeing new highs on the day. Boeing squeezing some bull flow on Boeing. Some bull flow on Boeing, guys. I'm not chasing the moves. But some bull flow on Boeing. Boeing new highs on the day. Trying to have some more patience with Twitter. Boeing going on bull flow. Big bounce on IWM. SPY almost filled the gap, still did not fill the gap. Tesla still did not fill the gap. Baba keeps trying to bounce. Baba going. IWM fading. SPY some fading. Some fading on SPY. I sold Twitter, booked the gains. SPY heavy. SPY is heavy. SPY is heavy. I got some puts on SPY. Cubes are still strong. I got some puts on IWM. So right now holding a little bit some shorts on IWM and SPY. IWM fading. IWM fading. IWM fading. IWM coming. IWM coming. IWM fading. So for now we are holding some shorts on IWM and on SPY with some puts. We played short Twitter, we played long Twitter, we played long McDonald's, and yeah, those worked well. I closed, booked my gains, and now we are short SPY and IWM with some puts. So IWM coming. IWM fading. I have more on SPY. SPY, IWM coming, fading, IWM, here we go. IWM coming. So we are short on SPY and the IWM for now. McDonald's going higher. IWM coming. Here we go, guys. Come on. Bring it down. IWM coming. NVIDIA fading. AMD fading. Trimming Sam on SPY. Trimming Sam on IWM. McDonald's new highs on the day. McDonald's. Nice move on McDonald's, guys. Bull flow. Our calls going once again. Congratulations. IWM. So just as reminder, we played short on Twitter, we play long on Twitter, and we play long on McDonald's. We already booked those gains, and now we are short on SPY and IWM with some puts. IWM making more than 20% as we speak, and SPY are also making small gains right now. So we wait. IWM coming. IWM coming. Come on, guys, bring it down. SPY fading now. Cubes fading. Here we go. Come on. That's it. That's it. Come on. Bring it down, guys. Trimming Sam on SPY. Trimming Sam on IWM 30%. Come on. That's it. Come on. Here we go. IWM coming. Here we go. SPY coming. SPY fading. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, guys. Push. Push. IWM coming nicely. Come on. Fade some more. Bring it down. Come on. Here we go. Trimming some more on SPY. Well done, guys. Well done. Nicely done. Trying to have a little bit more patience. AMD got back down. So still heavy, AMD. Nvidia also did not fill the gap. Boeing still strong. Boeing still pushing, not chasing the move. But AMD very weak. Microsoft also heavy. Microsoft also heavy. Inside day on Microsoft. Got some puts on Microsoft. IWM coming. 40% on IWM, guys. Trimming Sam on IWM. Well done. %40 on IWM, guys. Well done. AMD going back down. Ugly. Very heavy. Nvidia the same. McDonald's holding nicely so far. McDonald's. It was a nice call on McDonald's. IWM coming. SPY coming. Here we go. Come on. I trim some more on SPY. McDonald's, new highs on the day. Here it goes. Congratulations everyone on McDonald's. Well done. Happy meals and Sundays for everyone. Great trade on McDonald's calls. So for now, a summary: we are short IWM, SPY, and Microsoft with some puts. SPY coming, IWM coming. Here we go. That's it. Here we go. Come on, guys. Bring it down. That's it. Well done. Come on. Trimming some more on SPY. Nice gains on SPY. Trimming some on Microsoft. IWM 50% on IWM right now as we speak. Well done, guys. 50% on IWM short. Come on. Push it down. That's it. Come on. Come on. Here we go. IWM coming. IWM coming, SPY coming, Microsoft coming. Here we go. Semis are very weak. Boeing got rejected at 178. SPY fading. Come on, bring it down, guys. Come on. Fade some more. AMD almost red. Come on. That's it. Fading nicely. Trimming some on Microsoft. Nicely then. SPY, IWM short, Microsoft short. Boeing fading. IWM coming. IWM still has a gap to fill at 195.7. IWM still has a gap to fill at 195.7, guys. IWM coming. Come on. Here we go. 60% on IWM as we speak. Come on, push it. Come on. AMD goes red. Come on. Fade some more. So AMD heavy fails to go above $100. Microsoft fading now. Microsoft fading. We have 285 yesterday lows on Microsoft. McDonald's fading now. I hope that you book your gains on McDonald's. McDonald's was a nice trade. Same thing as Twitter. Twitter we played short, we played long, we booked gains on both. So yeah, very nice. Now backing into the lows as the market is getting very heavy. McDonald's also, we played the calls, very nice gains on those calls. Well done. Now trying to have a little bit more patience with the rest. Microsoft fading. Microsoft fading. JP Morgan fading again. JP Morgan fading again. Microsoft fading. Trying to be patient here. The same is very, very heavy. They were not able to hold the momentum. Microsoft fading. Microsoft coming. Microsoft coming. Microsoft coming. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Microsoft coming. Come on. Bring it down, guys. Microsoft, SPY, IWM. Here we go. So a summary, we are short SPY, IWM and Microsoft, and all pushing down as we speak. Well done. 50% on SPY, trimming some. Trimming some on Microsoft. Trimming some IWM for 70%. Here we go. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Nice shorts. AMD pushing into the lows of the day. Nvidia, Microsoft going fast now. Nicely done, guys. Congratulations. Well done. So Microsoft going fast. We have yesterday lows 285, and below that can go all the way below $280. SPY did not fill the gap and fading. Tesla also should go back below 1K. Watch out for Tesla. I'm not chasing, I already have too many trades. Not chasing, but yeah, be careful. Tesla should go back below 1K, guys. So we are short SPY, IWM and Microsoft. Great trade so far. Trim some on Microsoft. Semis are showing the way. Semis are very heavy, so they sold AMD into the lows. Nvidia also. So far, everything got rejected today, highs of the day. Yesterday lows is the biggest support level. If we break down below yesterday lows, it will be a bearish reversal, sell and engulfing day. Manage your risk wisely, guys. SPY fading. SPY fading. Volatility bouncing from the lows, guys. Facebook going down as we speak. Facebook shorts. Facebook shorts. Some bear flow on Facebook. Facebook ugly. Bear flow on Facebook, guys. Here we go, SPY coming. Trimming some more on SPY. Well done. Tesla fading. Tesla should go back below 1K. Okay, so a summary, we are short SPY, IWM and Microsoft with puts. Some calls on Oxy, not chasing Oxy. Not chasing Oxy, but seeing some calls. JP Morgan had a nice bounce, but giving back the morning gains. JP Morgan fading. JP Morgan fading. Oxy going new highs on the day, following that bull flow. I'm not chasing. IWM still has the gap to fill at 195.7. IWM fading. NVIDIA goes red. NVIDIA goes red. Here we go. Come on. Some more. Here we go. Here we go. So IWM coming. Come on. Let's double the IWM, guys. Come on. Push. Here we go. So we are short. Microsoft new lows on the day. We are short IWM, we are short SPY, and we are short Microsoft. Well done. Come on, guys. Bring it home. Tesla already below 1K. That's it. That's it. That's it. Come on. Microsoft new lows on the day. Microsoft coming. Nice. Come on. Bring it down. Trimming some more on Microsoft for more than 50% gains. Trimming some on SPY for 60% gains. So a summary, we are short on SPY, IWM and Microsoft. Nice gains. AMD gave the close. They sold the bounce. So got very weak. Did not fill the gap and bear strike. Also NVIDIA did not fill the gap and fails. We have yesterday lows. So what we'll be looking right now is look for yesterday lows, okay? If we go and stay below yesterday lows, watch out for a reversal sell and engulfing day. Very bearish and great for our puts. SPY new lows on the day. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Microsoft same. Beautiful. Beautiful. Trimming some on SPY. Let's double those trades, guys. Come on. Come on. Here we go. That's it. Come on. Some more. Push. Here we go. IWM, the gap on IWM fills at 195.7. We are at 199, guys. AMD flushing. AMD coming. IWM coming. SPY coming nicely. Here we go. Yesterday lows, guys. Yesterday lows. Come on. AMD very heavy. Semis are very heavy. Very ugly AMD. Yesterday lows, the key level support. Trying to have a little bit more patience. Facebook coming. Facebook coming. Facebook coming on bear flow. Facebook fading. I saw the IWM. I took the gains on IWM. Holding SPY and Microsoft short for now. Microsoft going. Microsoft nil on the day. Here we go. Here we go. Trim some more on SPY. Trim some more on Microsoft. I sold Microsoft. I sold SPY. I booked my gains. So great trading, everyone. Great trading. Great trading. So yeah, I'm going to basically call it for the day. So as summary, let's try to summarize things where what were the trades, what did we get. So basically to start today, we got some Twitter puts out of the gate. We got some Twitter puts, they worked well, I logged some nice gains. Then I got some IWM puts, but it was too soon, so I basically got stopped on those IWM puts. Then we got some McDonald's calls. Those McDonald's calls worked very well. I logged very nice gains on those McDonald's calls, and very happy on bull flow, so congratulations everyone. Then we got some Twitter calls playing for the bounce, and this bounce here, okay, this bounce here, we got the calls 46.5, okay, and those worked very well. I also locked very nice gains on there. And after that we got SPY puts, okay, SPY puts playing for this fade here, and this fade worked well. I booked my gains. Also we got IWM puts that made more than 70% gains, and we also got some Microsoft puts here playing for this move down that I closed for very nice gains. So now what? The big question. No clue, okay, no clue. So while we are above yesterday lows, we keep a chance, slightly chance that we can try to bounce, but we need above yesterday highs. So one of the yellow flags is actually semis. Semis are very weak. AMD, NVIDIA, those are very weak. And when I saw, that's precisely why I got those shorts. When I saw that semis, AMD and NVIDIA were very weak. Also JP Morgan financials gone from red to green but faded once again. So the market got very weak, and that's why I decided to jump into some IWM, SPY and Microsoft puts. Now, if bears want, they need to take price below yesterday lows. So need to make new lows on the day and take it below yesterday lows, and that will be a very ugly candle for a bearish reversal sell and engulfing day. That will be very ugly, and we should look for new lows for the week. Okay, Tesla right now making new lows. I said below 1K. I said bearish options activity. Printed a bearish reversal sell candle on Tesla, so Tesla very ugly. The next logical level on Tesla, if it goes below 974, you should be look for 950. Okay, 950 as the next logical level on Tesla, so watch out. Okay, so with this said, time to go. And calling the end of the live trading session. And I will keep looking for new setups. If I see anything, I will let you know on Discord. Otherwise, protect your money wisely, manage your risk very wisely, stay safe, and congratulations everyone on today's trades. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.